And the brake run is nuts. The brake run, it like shimmies way to the right and then goes straight into it. It's wild.
That's one of the best RMCs right now. That thing is crazy. The layout, every element hits on it. It's really good.
Really good.
Really good.
Better than Air Force One in my opinion.
Ooh. You know,
I really think so. Like,
I think I like it a little more just because of the variety of elements that we were talking about before.
The ending's good. It feels different than other RMCs.
Yeah, it feels different. I think it was on Air Force One.
Oh yeah, I think so.
I like the layout of it.
I like it much more than Air Force.
That's a good layout, man.
Welcome back